Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss some text properties under CSS. What are the properties that are applied to text that you written in each CSS element? The first one, color property, specifies to set any color to the text. Direction of the text, that is left to right or right to left. Letter spacing, that is to give space between the letters of a word. Word spacing in the sense to give space between the words of a sentence. Text indent, to provide indentation to the text of a paragraph. Alignment of the text, either left alignment, right alignment, center. Text decoration, you can give either underline the text, overline the text. Text to transform, convert one form of the text into another form. Anything, you can control the flow and formatting by using white space. Apply shadows on the text, this applies vertical align of the element. So these are each and every property. Now we will discuss each and everything with one example, then you will get some clear idea. Okay, before that, what you are doing, create one style tag. Style type is equal to, okay, style tag. Now I am going to apply some paragraph. Here later, first to color, we will apply step by step. First to color, color colon, I am given some red color. You can give any color, color colon some red. Now here write down some p tag. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Okay, now observe carefully. Here what happened? P paragraph is there. This color property is applied to this text. Color property is applied to this text. Now I will execute each and every property separately. Save. See, just for understanding, I am zooming. Welcome to our channel. That is converted into red color. Now, what is the next property? Direction. That is in which direction you want to place the text. Either left to right, LTR in the sense left to right. Anyway, by default, the direction is LTR. Here you are not observing anything. Here you are not observing anything. So by default is LTR. Now I changed into RTL, means right to left. Right to left. Now observe where the text. See, right to left. I think you got it. Direction, in which direction you are placing the text. The next one, letter spacing. Give space between the letters. Letter spacing. Give some 10 pixel. And to understand neatly, here I am using instead of or left, I am using. Refresh. Observe the space between W and E, space between E L N. Letter spacing means it gives the space between the letters in each and every word. But here between E to T, there is the common spaces. It does not add any additional. If you want to give instead of 10, just for understanding, I given some 5 pixel. Now refresh. See. Okay. Now the next one is word spacing. Word spacing, I am given some 10 pixel. To identify the difference, I given some 10 pixel. Now observe the space between welcome to changed or not. Space between welcome to changed or not. Clear? This is the letter spacing and word spacing. Now next one. To understand, I am removing all these things. I used one color. Anyway, 4 things are completed. What is the next property? Text indent means you are providing indentation to your text. You are providing indentation to your text. Now, what I am doing? Just for that purpose, I am using some paragraph. To understand, I need some information. Okay. Now text before that, save and run. This is my entire text. Observe all the alignments, everything. This is one paragraph. I given text to indent. Text to indent is I given. Suppose I given text to indent as 100 pixel. The meaning is your paragraph, that is the first line, gives a space of 100 pixel. Now refresh. Observe, previously machine learning M is at this position. Whenever I am refreshing, observe, this becomes a paragraph. Here this space before M, whatever the space you are given, that is 100 pixel. The space you are given, that is 100 pixel. Now clear, that is text indentation. That is called text indentation. Next, if you want, you can align the text align left. Now observe, by default, even though you are not given, the alignment is left. Observe the left alignment, it is perfect. There is no change. But right is some zigzag fashion. Observe the right side, some zigzag fashion. Now what I am doing? Give the right alignment. In this case, left is ignored. Now refresh. Observe, the left is ignored, right is correctly aligned. Now, one more option is available, that is center alignment. Center means exactly alignment is mainly concentrate on center. Left and right are ignored. See, center. So I want a complete neat paragraph. Justify. Justify in the sense the alignment is both on the left side and right side. Refresh. Now clear. Here you are using text indent, that is the reason paragraph. Now observe the alignment. Alignment is done successfully. This is text alignment. Now text decoration is also there. Suppose if you want, you can use underline. Now what happened? Underline, it underlines the entire text. Overline. Observe, the text is crossed like over the text. See, the text over, under means below the text, over means above the text. Over means above the text. Text decoration. Now see, color is completed, direction is okay, letter spacing, word spacing, text indent, text to align, text decoration. Here you can apply the properties. For example, line through. The name only specifies line through, that is through the text. See, through the text. Okay, this is line through. What is the next one? Text to transform. So I am removing this one. Text to decoration is not required right now. Text to transform. Here, these are the different options. Uppercase. Observe, the entire text is converted into uppercase. Now, capitalize. What is mean by capitalize? The first letter. Only first letter. See, a branch of artificial intelligence, that is the property of capitalization is applied. The property of capitalization is applied. Okay. Now, just to for understanding, I am removing all these things. Removing all these things up to text to transform is completed. Now I will give white space, text to shadow, and vertical align. Coming to white space. Coming to white space. Here multiple options are there. Suppose here I am given no wrap option. Here observe, this is my previous output. If you observe, no wrapping means it is not converted into paragraph. It is wrapping. Wrapping is not possible. Whatever the text you given, that is formed in a single line. Anyway, by default, the option is wrap. So wrap in the sense, whatever the page visible to you, the text is placed in that page only. The text is placed in that page only. Okay, suppose if the page completed, move to the next line. Line completed, move to the next line, and so on. No wrap in the sense, it simply moves to the entire line. Simply moves to the entire line. That is no wrap. Now, what is the next one? Text shadow. Text shadow. So here, if you want, you can give some shadow to the text. By default, the text appears normally. By default, the text appears normally. For example, here I am applying some shadow. Assume some 5 pixel, 5 pixel, some 20 pixel, some green color. Anyway, execute and you will understand carefully. Are you observe the shadows? The color is green. The color is green, and the top, below, bottom, all this we are applying the different shadows property. Different shadows. See this one. See here the 3 pixel. For example, here 3 pixel above the text, 5 pixel and below. 5 pixel is on the left side, 10 pixel is on the right side. Color is red here. So in my example, I given some green color. And the last two property is vertical alignment. Till now, the text is under horizontal alignment. If you want, you can use vertical alignment of the text also. Vertical align. Okay, vertical align. Suppose instead of this one, I am removing entire. Welcome to CSS. Now refresh here. Observe the space above. Observe the space above. For example, here I will give some command super, or else just for your understanding, I will type like this. This is subject. Welcome to CSS. Welcome to CSS. So, for example, use the tag B. Welcome to. This is B tag. Here I will write down CSS. Now, this property is applied to for B. Clear? Now, move here. I think you got the point. So, this is the subscript. In a similar fashion, you can write super also. You can write super also. Not only this, you have multiple options. Suppose the baseline or bottom. Suppose here I given bottom. Observe like this. Suppose I given baseline. Okay, so baseline in the sense according to the viewport, what you are seeing, these are different properties that we applied on the text. You can change the color, direction of the text, spacing between the letters, spacing between the words, indentation in case you are using a paragraph, alignment of the text, decoration of the text, transformation between, and white space, shadow. You can give the shadow of the text, vertical alignment of any element. So multiple text properties. Why you are creating a web page, some text needs to be in different fashion. So for that purpose, these properties are very useful in designing of CSS. Okay, that's the end of today's session. Thank you.